Draw Saitama anime character. In this video, I'll sketch him. And in part 2, I'll color. Let's draw Saitama in full action mode, no rulers. No circles, just pure freehand. Draw a smooth oval or egg shape. Slightly wider at the top. This is the base of the head. Saitama's head is very clean and symmetrical due to his bald look. Tip, start with a dynamic pose like flying forward or standing with fists raised. Now time to draw a tight one-piece suit, big round buckle. Or design your own like a lightning bolt or symbol. Add details like straps or ridges to personalize. Attach to shoulders with 2 round buttons. Make it flow based on the pose back, side, etc. Add muscle and fabric details. Use confident, clean lines. Now, make long gloves mid-forearm. Then draw a big leg because it flies in air and is part of the pose. Let's draw Saitama belt. Please like and subscribe because it makes me motivated. And I feel wow. Making another wow. Drawing video for you. So please hit the like and subscribe button. It is free of cost. Please complete 500 like target. It is a very small target for you. In part 2, I'll color this sketch to make a realistic Saitama character. My bio, part 2. Video coming soon.